Now, let's see the last key variable, that is exchange rate. Let's take a small example to understand the concept. One good news for all of you. This concept you have already learned as purchasing power parity in exchange rate discussion. Let's quickly summarize the learning from purchasing power parity theory, and you will be through with the concept of real exchange rate. To illustrate it, we will again take example of X and Y island. As discussed then, X currency is pounds and Y currency is dollars, and the exchange rate is 1 pound is equal to $2. Suppose that on January 1st, 2009, the prices for every good in each country is identical. Thus, a pizza that costs £10 in X island cost $20 in Y island. According to logic of absolute purchasing power parity, 1 pound must be worth $2. Otherwise, we could make a risk-free profit buying pizza in one market and selling in the other. Now let's suppose Y island has a 50% inflation rate, whereas X island has no inflation whatsoever. If the inflation in Y island impacts every good equally, then the price of pizza in Y island will be $30 on January 1st, 2010. Since there is zero inflation in X island, the price of pizza will still be £10 on January 1st, 2010. According to logic of relative purchasing power parity, we cannot make money from buying pizza in one country and selling them in the other. This means that $30 must now be worth £10. If $30 is equal to £10, then $3 must equal 1 pound. Thus, our dollar to pound exchange rate would increase to 3, meaning that it costs $3 to purchase 1 pound on foreign exchange markets. Despite of $2 to purchase 1 pound, that is, depreciation in value of dollars. The reason for this decline is simple. As pizza is expensive in Y island, inhabitants of X island there will import it from Y. Since the payment has to be made in pound, demand for pound will rise and supply of dollar will increase, which will result in appreciation of pound or depreciation of dollar. Note that depreciation in dollar is exactly equal to 50%, that is, assumed inflation rate. So, real exchange rate can be determined as follows. Real exchange rate X or Y is equal to nominal exchange rate minus inflation in X island minus inflation in Y island. So, if inflation in island X is 0% and in Y island is 50%, it means that real exchange rate between X and Y island currency should get depreciated by exactly 50%.